wanna be with you.
Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showcasing this unit that I'm currently rocking. It is not new to YT whatsoever, but it's a unit that I have been stocking on for over a year now. The name of this wig is Sensational Impress Lace Front Wig, Aubery, and I have it in color F1B30. It is a part of their natural curve part line. This is how it looks on the stock card. If you guys are interested in checking this wig out, I believe it's like under $25. I will link a direct link to this wig as well as SamsBeauty.com in my description box. So let's get into the styling portion about this unit, okay? Because I got some words. You know, I got a few things I want to mention about this wig. So let's get into it. You guys see me style this unit, I just want to briefly come in and hit you guys with basically my final thoughts, my review on this unit. You guys seen how I kind of chopped and screwed this wig a little bit. I was going for like an old school, like Diana Ross type of vibe. Did I achieve it, sis? Let me know in the comment section if you would rock this unit in a side part or a middle part. It was really pretty in a side part, but I felt like I just wanted to just serve a different vibe, you know what I mean? Anywho, the cap construction on this wig is, I'm gonna say it's big head friendly because it's sitting on my head comfortably, but it's not like a super large cap. So the cap, I'm gonna say, is about a medium size, but I do feel like this will fit just about anyone's head. I didn't get a lot of shedding. Y'all know the deal when it comes to curly units. They don't tangle up that much when they're like this kind of texture, as long as you don't sleep in them. Now this is the type of curly unit I would say will get better with time. So when it gets a little bit more frizzier and everything, it's going to look so natural. And I do love that this unit is a good throw on and go wig. However, it does have that scratchy old school lace. So definitely wear a wig grip if you do decide to check this wig out. Oh, and if you guys tried this wig, let me know down below, how did you like it? Also, I just briefly have to talk about these highlights, okay? Let me give you guys a 362 so you guys can see how the cut came out. And oh yeah, off camera I did go in and probably trim off about 2 more inches after I got done filming the first segment that you guys seen. So yeah, you know, giving them a little, you know, Afro-ish vibes, and I'm feeling it. It's a different little vibe for me, but you guys know I love big hair, and you guys most of you guys love big curly hair. So this is for y'all, okay? This is definitely a wig that I would suggest for summertime, especially if you give it a little bit of trim like I did, because even though it's a lot of hair, it's lightweight. And I always feel like in the summertime, you could never go wrong with some curly hair, okay? Do I gotta tell you guys that this wig is OhSo approved? I can tell that you know. Come on now. By these vibes that I'm giving you, this wig is definitely OhSo approved. If I had to rate this wig, I'll give it a 4.5 out of 5, just because I hate scratchy lace, but it's not bothering me whatsoever because I don't feel it with the wig grip. You feel me? Anywho, let me know your thoughts down below in the comment section. Let's chat it up. Share this video, like and subscribe if you made it this far, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.